And in this lesson, we'll discover the pronunciation of the consonants, so les consonnes. Are you ready? So let's start now. Okay, so les consonnes, B, B. Okay, so this one shouldn't be that difficult to produce. B, B. Then comes C. Okay, C. D, D. F, F. G, G. Okay, so if we want to repeat them one more time, B, C, D, F, G. Okay, let's see the others. H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M. Okay, one more time. H, J, K, L, M. Okay, and then of course it continues. N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R. So it's quite important because people tend to think that French people are making this R like that, really deep and really, well, it will hurt your throat if you try to insist too much on that. And if you listen to me, well, basically it's not that strong. R, R. Okay, so it's quite soft. R, R. The next one is S, S. Okay, so let's see them one more time. N, P, Q, R, S. And the last consonant are T, T, V, V, W, W. Okay, so we've got this double, and then V, W. Okay, X, X, and the last one, Z, Z. Okay, so remember to pronounce this D at the end. Z, Z. Okay, so let's see them one more time. T, V, W, X, Z.